Hi there, and welcome to the ProxySale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in WinSCP. Launch the program and navigate to Options at the top. From there, select Preferences. In the window that appears, scroll down to the Updates section. To configure your proxy, activate the Use Proxy Server option. This will enable the fields where you can enter your IP and port. If you're using a private proxy, a prompt will appear during the operation requesting your username and password. Enter these details and that's it. The proxy setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.